There's no people here. It's empty here because it's night. So we're here in Talara Airport. We're going back to Lima, Peru. There's no people here. So yeah, empty here. Now we're going to here and check in for Latam Airlines right there. This is what we do quickly check-in. So for now, we're going to security checkpoint for right now. Over there. Security checkpoint. This is the shop that you can buy whatever for your snack, whatever, coffee, drinks, and fridge, poster, tacos, one bag, trash, right there. So we'll go over there to the security checkpoint, and after that we'll go into the departure gate. So yeah. So this is what we do quickly here to check in. So yeah, we're going to Lima, Peru. Destination weather could be 72 degrees Fahrenheit with 30 degrees Celsius with mostly clear skies or clear skies. We're going to get in the backdrop, Latam Airlines. We are reserving to check in Latam Airlines. Over there. Passenger Latam Airlines Flight 3001 to Lima, please proceed to gate number 2. Oh, that was good. Over there. Headed to security checkpoint, and then to go to the departure gate. Now, see you in my clip video about the departure gates. See ya. See ya. All right, now we're here in the departure gate 1 and 2. Gates 1 and 2. These are lines for group 4. Time for depart. So there's no plane not yet. Did you not see the plane outside? There's no plane not yet. No planes in the gate. So yeah, empty this gate here. So the estimated will be wait here is 1 hour. So just like back in previous, I will be wait 1 hour before boarding time. But this time, I will be wait 1 hour before boarding. We'll be wait 1 hour. Let's go now. Let's go. Today we'll be right on the Airbus A320-215. Today we'll be right on the Airbus A320-215. Again, we'll be flying A320-200. Let's go! Lima, Peru, here we go! To the city center of Lima. In 1964, built the Airbus A320-200. It was copyrighted in 2015. There's Talara Airport. Alright, here we are. Let's go up inside the plane. Hold on to the handbrake. Hold on in the stairs. I have a time. Alright, we're here. Alright, I'm gonna be recording sit here. Alright. My seat is 5A on the window. My seat. To the table. We're here. We're here. Latam Airlines for flight 2001 to Lima, Peru from Talara, Peru. 1 hour 23 minutes. Time for takeoff departure. Hora de despegue. Hora do decollaje.
volar con Latam, para su seguridad les solicitamos que permanezcan sentados hasta que la señal de cinturones se apague. Cuando se dé inicio al desembarque, abran con cuidado los compartimientos superiores, ya que el equipaje pudo haberse movido durante el vuelo y teniendo la precaución de retirarlo utilizando ambas manos. Al bajar, por favor, asegúrense de llevar todos sus artículos personales y no dejar residuos dentro del avión. Desde ahora pueden usar sus equipos electrónicos con normalidad. Recuerden que al ser parte de nuestro programa Latam Pass, podrán viajar por el mundo mientras acumulan millas para canjear por tickets y acceder a mejores beneficios. Los invitamos a planificar sus próximos viajes de principio a fin en latam.com, eligiendo su paquete de auto y más, siempre acumulando millas. Esperamos tenerlos a bordo en su próximo vuelo. Thank you for choosing to fly with Latam. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt signers turn off. When you open the overhead bins, please be careful and use your hands to remove your baggage as they may have to keep them around during the flight. As you disembark, make sure you take all your personal items with you and please do not let residues inside the aircraft. You can now use your electronic devices. Remember that by being part of our Latam Pass program, you can travel the world by earning miles to redeem for tickets and access better benefits. We want you to plan your next trip from your start to finish at Latam.com, choosing your travel package, accommodation, rental car, and more while earning miles. We look forward to have you on board on your next flight. La información de su siguiente vuelo en las pantallas y les recomendamos llegar con anticipación a su puerta de embarque. Muchas gracias. You have a connecting flight. We want you to pay attention to the following guidance. Your baggage will be transferred to your next flight. It was time for a final destination. If your connection is to an international flight, you must go through immigration before going to the boarding area. Remember to check the information for your next flight on the airport screens, and we recommend arriving early at your boarding gate. Thank you.
Right here. Okay. This parking. All Latam Airlines there. And we're here. You're not going to see. It's very great.
Operación por desembarcar TRIPREPORT.
Okay, we have to see that. We'll see it back. We'll see it. Now for the beat of the back. See ya. here in the baggage claim. There, look. Here, that's my flight. There. Latam Airlines from Talara, Peru, flight 2001 from Talara, confirmed arrival. Waiting here our bags. Waiting here was loading the bags. 5 cities are arrival. From Tarapoto, Tumbes, Trujillo, Cusco, and Talara. The flight there. Latam from Talara, Peru. Confirmed arrival. Waiting our bags. Alright, so thank you so much and have a great day. Thank you so much and have a great day.